making Singapore's waters safer and emergency responses at sea faster with remotely operated drones. The Maritime Port Authority, the MPA, has rolled out the use of such drones for surveillance, the first organisation to do so across Singapore's port waters. Drones can be deployed up to 80% faster relative to time taken when operators had to physically launch them on site. Charlotte Lim with this report.
So this, when I get these stories, I have no idea. Like I'm like, oh, I like the headline. Let's review it together. Let's get our tech news in. So this is going to be based in Singapore and how Singapore is using drones. And it's because I've spoken before about how, if you just think about how drone usage is going to explode, right? We talked about how Broward sheriff's offices are using drones for like surveillance when they have a house surrounded and stuff like that, so that they can free the one helicopter that they have to go do other stuff. We looked at how drones are being used to inspect power lines. Imagine how drones can be, imagine this, imagine this. There is a fire in a building, right? And instead of the firefighter, like, so while the firefighter is getting ready to go in there and stuff like that, you can have somebody already on the scene, throw up a drone in there, have the drone go inside of the like whatever floor inside of the building and start looking around and stuff like that. And Singapore, they are highly, highly advanced technically. So I'm curious to see how Singapore is doing this.
Flying up to 60 meters above ground, this drone has a mission. It serves as an extra pair of eyes over ships and port activities. Weighing about 1.4 kilograms, the drone can take off and land back in its station with precision, all on its own. At the heart of it is automation. Previously, operators had to be physically present out at sea to fly the drones, but now with the drone box technology, staff can remotely launch and control them across multiple locations, all from one centralized operation center. For now, authorities...
Did you get that? So now they can remotely connect to the drones, which I kind of see why they're banning DJI drones from China, because imagine we have a bunch of DJI drones over here and now China takes control of those DJI drones and they just start doing whatever they want with them, right? But you don't have to be in the physical presence of the drone to be able to control it. So you can have drones dispatched in their drone box across the city, across the country, whatever, and you just log in and say, oh, let me go and control this drone and go do this and that and the other. Automation. I've been preaching to you guys automation forever. You guys fight me on this. But look at what's going on. I told you guys, go look into flying drones. Go learn automation, learn all this stuff, learn AI, and you fight me. Learn Python, you fight me.
have installed these drones here at Marina South Pier, West Coast Pier, as well as Pasir Panjang Power Station. Here at the control center in One North, operators can launch multiple drones at the same time.
Is that an Xbox controller? Is that an Xbox? I'm telling you, you guys look. See, my idea is the thing that you love to do, see how you can use it in other ways. So like, you love playing video games. Well, why don't I turn flying a drone into my own version of video game? And now this person is controlling a drone. They're getting paid to do it, and they're doing it on an Xbox controller. That is a fun job. I'm just saying.
I'm just being honest.
Service provider Skypot says controlling them remotely enables the drones to fly much further out to sea, allowing them to spot incidents or suspicious activities more quickly and efficiently.
Traditional drone operating limits is currently limited to 400 meters, and it requires the pilot to be moving from site to site. With this current setup, the drone operations can be extended to up to 5 kilometers. This will allow the pilot to also see critical areas of interest and to spot oil spills as and when they happen.
MPA adds that these unmanned solutions make it possible to inspect high traffic areas more often without needing extra patrol crafts.
Imagine, which I'm pretty sure the Coast Guard our Coast Guards have drones and stuff like that, but imagine like at the port, Customs and Border Patrol, right? At the port of entries, having drones flying in the air, looking at suspicious activity on the ships, on the cargo ships and stuff like that. Imagine putting the what do they call it? The temperature stuff, like, you know, where it tells you like the heat map on the drone, so you can see if there's any weird activity happening inside of these containers. Drone operators are going to be high needed, and now they can be controlled remotely in Singapore.
It's especially crucial here in Singapore, which is home to one of the busiest ports in the world.
They provide regular surveillance, and it extends and complements the response capabilities of our petrocraft. This allows MPA to better detect anomalies and provide interventions when necessary. With high-resolution cameras and video analytics, these drones provide real-time insights to our petrocraft and partner agencies. This allows us to do targeted checks and inspections, and allows us to better optimize the use of our resources.
Authorities say they're working to expand the system to cover most of Singapore's port waters in the coming years. They're also looking into wider uses for drones, including delivering items directly to ships.
And we already looked at Walmart doing drone deliveries to people within like a 2-mile radius. Now they're like, oh, let's see if we can deliver this to ships. I'm telling you, drone usage is going to be out of this world. And there we go. There we go. Look at that. More usage of drones. More usage of drones. This time in Singapore, authorities using them, monitoring ships, monitoring ports of entry. They're being controlled remotely from drone boxes. So they can be chilling in the office in their AC. And they they have different sites. So let's say they have like 5 drones in this one quadrant, another drone another 5 in this other quadrant. Oh, we need to spin up a drone to go do some inspections, yada yada yada. Oh, the battery's going down. Let's spin up another drone, and while we bring this other one back to, and you know, so we spin up one drone to go over there, and now we have the other drone go back to get charged and stuff like that. So many options, so many options. And like this, it already probably exists here, if not very, very soon. We can't stop. We can't just keep looking at, oh, but I'm this, I'm that. Like, oh, this is all that I know. No, you need to expand. You need to evolve into these new roles that are needed. Look at what the market is telling you and adjust with a great attitude. As the CEO of Cisco UK, Sarah Walker, and Andy Jassy, Amazon CEO, it's all about your attitude. Evolve, pivot, adjust with the right attitude.
They think the machine never break. Sometimes the battery hit red. I ain't stopping, I'm just rebooting. Why the bounce back? Go! Eyes heavy like I'm lifting weight with my eyelid. Brain foggy, feeling like I'm stranded on an island. Coffee pot empty and the energy is silent. Fighting with the demons in my head, getting violent. Staring at the screen, but the progress isn't moving. Spinning on the wheels, tell me what am I proving? Body aching, back breaking, losing all the grooving. Every single step feels like I'm just losing. Working 24, but the needle barely nudging. Feel like I'm a hammer, but the wall isn't budging. Burn on creepy, yeah, the shadow is a trudging. Doubters on the sideline, yeah, they always judging. Is it worth the stress? Is it worth the hypertension? Did I make the turn? Did I lose the dimension? Need a little break, need a little intervention before I crash out and I lose the retention. When I'm feeling fried, sucker to your sizzling. Vision getting blurry and the rain start drizzling. Hustle feeling heavy, motor vision and fizzling. Waiting for the steak, but I don't hear the sizzling. But I can't quit, now I can't to the flag. Even when I'm dragging and I'm feeling like a rag. Got too many gold packed inside the bag. Gotta push through even when I hit the lag. Just need a minute, just need to close the blinds. Disconnect the server, disconnect the lines. Lay the head down, let the body unwind. So I can wake up and get back on the grind. I'm burned out, but I ain't bowed out. No, just need a nap, then I'm back on the route. Told her high for a second, shut the world out. Wake up a beat, scream and shout. I can let them see me lose, I can give them that. They waiting on the crumble, waiting on the splat. My job is too big, yeah, I'm taking it back. Just a power nap, then I'm back on attack. They sit in the stands with a popcorn ready. Praying that my knees buckle, hoping I ain't steady. Wanna see the downfall, wanna see it messy. Wanna see me crash like a stolen Chevy. I see the side, I hear the whispers in the dark. Waiting for the flame to extinguish the spark. They wanna see the dog loot a bite in the bark. But I'm a gray white swimming like a shark. If I quit now, man, I win the whole game. If I slow down, they gon' tarnish the name. Gotta feed the fire, gotta feed the flame. Satisfaction that they seek is a damn shame. I ain't gon' give it to them, never gon' fold. Story of my fair is a story never told. My desire to win is worth my goal. Bigger than the hate that they tryna hold. So I take a rest, yeah, I hit the pillow hard. Reboot the system, put the ace front of car. Keep the haters locked out, stand in the yard. While I recharge the battery and lower down the guard. Just for an hour, let the new runs reset. Wake up cleaner than I ever been yet. Ready for the war, ready for the threat. Gonna make them pay every single little debt. They want want me to crumble, they want me to crack. But I bounce back like a rubber on the track. Sleep is the weapon, get the mind intact. Then I hit the gas, never looking back. I'm burned out, but I ain't bowed out. No, just need a nap, then I'm back on the route. Close the eyes for a second, shut the world out. Wake up a beat, scream and shout. I can let them see me lose, I can give them that. They waiting on the crumble, waiting on the splat. My drive is too big, yeah, I'm taking it back. Just a power nap, then I'm back on attack. Okay, I'm up now, white across the eye. Looking in the mirror, no more disguise. Demon on my shoulder, yeah, he finally died. Energy is peaking, reaching for the sky. Thought I was dumb and you must be crazy. Thought the burnout meant that I was getting lazy. Vision was blurry, now it ain't hazy. Pushing up Daisy, now I'm pushing Mercedes. Word didn't change, but the mind stay with flip. Got a new Megan, I put in a clip. Haters looking sick, yeah, they starting to trip. Watching me instant while they sinking in the ship. Progress was slow, now I'm moving like speed. Planting whole forest when I planted a seed. Satisfy the want, satisfy the need. Made the competition turn around and bleed. I do it for the win, I don't do it for the likes. Coming up the mountain while you riding on trikes. Heading for the top, yeah, I'm planning the strikes. Running up the score, yeah, I'm racking up strikes. Turning the engine, failure's not an option. Turning every obstacle into adoption of a new method, yeah, I'm swapping in, I'm copying. Only thinking is the records that I'm popping. Burnout was a lie, it was just a little test. Put a head down, got a little bit of rest. Now I'm back stronger, pounding on the chest. Put me to the trial and I asked the question. Yeah, I'm wide awake now. You shouldn't have blinked.